Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to another In the Post. This is In the Post number 25. I have 4 items to show you. The first of which is this coin from Russia. This is from the time when Russia was known as the CCP, the Communist Russia. This coin is from, I think it's 1981, and it's a 20-year celebration of Yuri. So that's the first of the coins to show you today. The second one continues a series of coins that I've been getting just recently, or been able to get my hands on just recently. And that one there is a half anna coin from 1944. It's got George VI. It is a diamond shaped coin, the way that it's been printed, and again I'll show you more about that when we do the actual video. And the final coin is a commemorative euro. It's a €2 coin. It is from France, and it is a €2 coin that celebrates the year for breast cancer awareness. So those are the three coins that I've got, that I bought. And then, does anybody recognise that? Yeah, Macamula. Let me just get the stuff out. I've got a letter from him that I will talk about when we actually do the video. But he very kindly sent me a couple of his stickers. Actually goes that way, doesn't it? Duh. Silly Steve. And I also got a signed bunny. I will be returning the favour back to him. But what he also sent me was, he saw me do my date runs, and he sent me very kindly and unexpectedly 5 20p's and 12 10p's. This was, as I said, very unexpected, but something I am very thankful for, and I will be doing a video about this, especially to thank him and to show how it fits into my collection. There's a bit of research I need to do, because he sent me 4 coins of the same year, but they're all slightly different, and I need to get them sorted out so I know which one's which before I do the full presentation, if you like. So I have the coins, the notes, and the kind channel gifts from Macamula. I have a half anna coin from India from 1944. I have a 2017 €2 coin from France, which goes on about the breast cancer awareness. And I have a 1981 coin from the Soviet Union, as it was known when that coin was printed, representing 20 years of Yuri Gagarin's first flight into space, or first manned flight into space. So this is 4 more bits and pieces that I need to add to my list of videos to complete. To give you an idea, I have approximately 35 to 40 videos already and waiting for me that I've already recorded. And there's this bag as well, as you can see, where I've got stuff that I need to research and then record. This stuff is going to go into this bag, because I need to do some research on the items. So there we go, with Yuri Gagarin, with the breast cancer awareness from France, the half anna, and I'll be putting in Glenn's or Macamula's items in a second, but as you can see, it's there's a few in there that I need to research, which is one of my favourite parts of this job, before I can bring them onto the video for you. So that's the inner post today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give me the thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. And if you're one of the approximately 50% of viewers that I have on the channel that have yet to subscribe, if you believe I deserve it, and only if you believe I deserve it, please subscribe. I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, militaria and collectibles that I do on this channel. I do approximately 4 videos a week. I say approximately, it's a minimum of 4 videos a week. So hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy in those 4 videos to watch. To everybody else, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, whether you've subscribed to me or not, I look forward to it, and I hope I can give you some enjoyment when you watch the next video. But until then, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.